Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set ringtone on Redmi phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly, you have to move on setting. After you have been move on setting, from here what you need to do is that just move on this on and vibration. After you have been move on this on and vibration, you are going to find the ringtone option here. Just move on with ringtone. After that, this is the online ringtone and I'll show you the offline ringtone too. At firstly, let's move on the online ringtone. This all are the online ringtone. Okay, text, notification, love, top party, top instrument, top nature, this all are the online ringtones. Okay, you just need to select from here. What you need to do is that from here many ringtones are there. Just click and listen on it. If you love it and you want to set it, just click on the bell icon. When you click on it, here is the okay option. Just click on the okay and this ringtone will be set successfully on your device. Okay, me, I just cancel it. Okay, after that, if you want to set the offline ringtone, now let's move on the profile. Then click on the ringtone option. From here you are able to set the offline ringtone successfully. So here what you need to do is then you just need to click on the apply option and click on okay and this ringtone will be set successfully. This is the offline ringtone. The first one is the online ringtone. Okay, you can set the online or offline, which one you prefer, you can set it on it. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.